everyone, welcome to another video. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to tell you guys how can you use the rear wiper of I guess any Jeep. It will be the same function. So I have here Hyundai Santa Fe 2007 or 6 model, and I guess so that you can use this one method in any SUV or any car which has a rear wiper. So let me tell you guys how you can use the rear wiper. So if you guys come over here, where normally is the stick for the wipers of the front windshield, at the same place there will be an option if you have a rear wiper. So you guys can see already here it is written rear. So if I go here like on, then my rear wiper will start working. And if I want to get a shower for the rear glass, what I will do is pull it downwards like this and leave it. And like this, as you guys already know, that if you will pull the whole thing towards the steering, it will shower on the front windshield. But if you will do like this and release, it will drop the water at the back windshield. Now I will tell you guys the function. I'll show you guys how it will work. Here you guys can already see the back windshield. So now I will push it on. See, the wiper is working. Alright. So now what I will do, I will pull it downwards so that the shower will come. And here it comes. I hope you guys found this video interesting and you guys learned something. Please drop a like in this video and also subscribe if you haven't already done. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos and more updates. Bye.